All right, welcome. Quick little review for your math concepts. All right, so ordering from least to greatest or smallest to largest, all right, which means that you're going to want the lowest value first and the highest value last. Okay, so the first thing when you have absolute value problems, if you see any of the numbers with these lines, that means absolute value. So you'll need to change this value from the absolute value of -1 to +1. Okay, the value of absolute value of -1 equals +1 because it's one step away from 0. All right, absolute values are always positive. Okay, so now that we have these values, we're going to start with the largest negative number, and that would be this. So it'd be -5. Then the next largest negative number would be -2, followed by the next highest number, +1, followed by +6. The next type of problem that you'll see also involves absolute value. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is find out what the absolute value of each of these numbers is. So the absolute value of -2 is +2 plus the absolute value of 3 is 3 minus, because this subtract sign is right here, the absolute value of -1 is +1. Okay, so now we have an easier problem here. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Subtract 1 equals 4. And there's your answer. And the last problem type that you'll see here is translating integer expressions. So each one of these is going to have a clue word. Okay, I like to call them clue words because they'll tell you if it's positive or negative. Okay, so the team lost 5 yards. Lost is a negative translation word because you lose money, that's bad. You're going to lose 5 yards, you're going to go backwards. So the answer to this one is -5. If you deposit $12 into your account, you're going to add money into that account. So it'll be positive. Positive 12. The penalty for overdrafting was $14. So if you take money out of your account and you don't have that money in your account, there's a penalty from the bank. So that's going to take away more money from you, and that'll be 14, -14. All right, and then the last one, ascended. We talked about this weird word. We don't see it too much when we're reading, but to ascend means to go up the hill, and that is +45. All right. If we were to have the converse of that word descend, it means to come down. You'll hear that word more frequently if you fly a plane. If you're on a plane, they'll say our ascent or our descent. Enjoy.